Hey guys, well sorry if this video is kind of crappy and not edited or anything. I just don't really have time and I want to make the video for the Kids Club channel. But, so this week's theme is how to get your webkinz wet. So yeah, I'm going to show you basic ones. And yeah, so, you could, just do this to your sink. Well, actually my sink is really bad. Then you just put on water and just put your webkinz there. And yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna use so much water for this video, but ooh, she's so cute. Okay. So now, you can put her in the bathtub. What? Yep, in the bathtub. Which is not right there, but in this bucket thing that we use for my sister. And yeah, that was the basic of the how to get your webkinz wet. And now I'm gonna just put her right here to dry her. So yeah. And now I'm gonna show you my refrigerator. My hand's kind of wet. Here's my refrigerator. White. Here's some food. Peanut pan, creamy peanut butter. Yeah, peanut butter and milk and grapes. Yeah, I can't show you the bottom of this thing. How's ice cream? So yeah, thank you so much for watching. And stay tuned for more videos of mine. Bye!